Load the roll of printed material onto the unwind mandrel. Tighten the mandrel. With the DC350, use the air gun to expand the mandrel. Thread the material through the unwind side of the press. Refer to the unwinder module paper path diagram. Continue threading the material through the rewind side of the system. Refer to the rewinder module paper path diagram. Install an empty core to one of the rewind mandrels. With the DC350, use the air gun to expand the mandrel. Tape the material to the core and turn on the sensor.